So I added some features to my mask program. So I'm able to load multiple images now at the same time, store them. So we have these images of sharks. We can draw our mask over. And we can toggle back and forth using the arrow keys on your keyboard. So while you can draw your mask on there, we have the option here that I made that having different foregrounds, where the default is grayscale, but we do autumn, bone, jet, all these sort of different color maps in order to differentiate what's the map and what's not. And I've added the ability to revert changes, so you can see all these things here. Limited to 10 changes just for memory purposes, but I can increase if I needed to. I also has the ability to zoom in by pressing Control, so you can zoom in and make more precise changes. Press the middle button to pan around. And yeah, that's the program.